Hi guys, welcome for today's lecture, and today I will show you how to use our platform notebook for creating your own personal profile. This is very important because everything that we will do through the online educational platform, the notebook. I have already my login, so I will delete it and I will show you how to use your. So here you have sign up button. So the first step that you are doing is click sign up. Then you have some information. I will just use one of the email that I'm using, which is not already connected to the notebook. Add your best email, write down your password or choose your password, confirm your password, add your first name, last name, and click that you are not a robot and register. After you are registered, you will get your activation link. Go to your email account, open here, and this is your following link for notebook. So just use your email to log in. And the password. You will get this sign that means you have to be approved from our administrator. So how it looks when you approve is like this. You will get this similar dashboard or your schedule, and you will have here your calendar. First, you go to my profile, and here you will create your own personal profile. That means information that we will collect and talk about it on our lectures this week, you can put it here. So first name, last name, your contact email, basic information about you. This is the exercise that we are doing. Your biography, who you are, what are you doing, what are your skills, dreams, and everything else. You can add your links to your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or other social networks. Also, you can choose your picture. You can choose your real picture. This is what I will advise. And then you can attach your CV in PDF or any other documents. Also, you can choose your time zone and you can save your profile. When you save your profile, it will be your personal profile. In some time from now, you will create your company profile. That means your idea, your project will become your virtual company, and then you will create your company profile. So it will be again similar like this one. So you will have a company name, description, your mantra, this is what we will work, bio, what are you doing about this, additional info. You can add your company logo, this is what we will design. You can put your team or any other profile pictures. And in the end, you can put your video presentation. This is also something that we will do. This profile will be presented to the potential investors, our partners, and every other people who are interested in you and your project. It's very important to say that this is closed software, closed platform. That means everybody who is entering has to do the same procedure like you did. That means have to sign up, create a profile, create a username and password, and we are following what is happening here, so we will know if our investors have interest for you, your project, your idea, and according to that we will build other things. So this is for now, just to show you some other features. So you have notifications here, so you will know what is happening. You will be able to talk with us according to this, and then you will see your cursors. Here we will have Smart Up School, and when you click on that, you will have all the information according to that test, assignments, live lessons, videos and so on and so on and so on. This is not prepared yet because we are building, as you will see in our program, we are building a combination between live workshop that we are recording and the video that is inside. All the videos are already prepared and they will be built according to your progress. So as program is going, we will build this program together and make it according to your needs and your wants. That's it all about the notebook. So your homework or your assignment for now is to prepare or to create your profile according to this video that I make. So it's here, my profile, and you will see everything else about it. So thank you very much for following this. See you tomorrow on the lectures, and I hope by tomorrow you will have your profile on the notebook. If you have some problem with it, please contact me and I will help you to do it. Best regards.